Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My dear friends, stop looking outside because there is nothing outside. There is nothing outside. There is nothing outside. Everything is in our subconscious mind. Yes, that secret. After I know the secret, then I started practicing that secret. Then, right now, I am the CEO of my beautiful company from 2,500 rupees. Today is I'm the CEO of my company and beautiful work is going on. Yes, my dear. Just simply following, there is nothing outside, Hooponopono statements, does it work? No, there is much more deeper knowledge inside. That is how I practiced and I changed my life. Like, not like this. After knowing the truth, after knowing deeper into that, after practicing religiously, I changed my life. If you want to know that secret, please watch this video. The subconscious mind is full wide open all the time. It is just open all the time. The one which is bringing the reality. Yes, my dear friends, after knowing that, I changed my life like this. Whatever you want, you can just impress it by focusing on the wanting one, as if it is already done, as if you have already got it. The more you repeatedly say again and again and again and again, then it comes like that. The impression is important while doing Hooponopono. Hooponopono works to clean the data of the previous one, the thoughts and feelings about ourselves. There is no if you are not feeling abundant, that's all because of our own data. If you can watch my previous videos, you can understand how we get the data in 3 bags, everything. So, for example, if you want money, let the money be all around visible, like if I just put the bowl and keep some coins or something, so that vicinity, like subconscious mind, can see that yeah, money is there. We have to familiarize that. That's very important. And again, the practice which I did, like a vision board, whatever you want. I just put my face like this, and then you just replace it everywhere, somewhere. See, every time you see this, your subconscious mind is watching. So your body, every time we get a thought of like any thought, whenever you get a thought like I don't have money, that thought attached with the feeling is like registered. It goes into the deep of the cell. So then the body as well as the mind, they do not want to change, because when we are conditioned with certain things, the body and the mind would love to be in that, bring that reality again and again energetically. So conscious mind, we have to do delete. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, all of you. After that, what are we supposed to do? We have to familiarize our mind as well as the body with the money. Like you can just keep these kind of pictures, touch money, feel money, keep money all around. So that is very important, my dear friends. Then you see the results. It's not always the money. Everything, whatever we want, we have to impress and familiarize our body with all these things. Yes, this is so very important, and beautifully we can just with how do we impress more than that? Not always with the visuals. We can do with the affirmations, affirmations, and meditations, beautiful meditations. And this time, I'm coming with my next classes with RTT, rapid transformation techniques I'm using with the meditations and all the how to we improve our self-esteem and how to control, how to become the CEO of our mind. See, these things will change our reality, my dear friends. So the most important work is inner work, inside, looking, consciously watching, consciously focusing our conscious mind, consciously creating, manifesting through our conscious focus. That's very important. Ongoing, like knowing what am I impressing right now in my subconscious mind. That is the work. You just see, if you want to come, please come to my next 21 days classes starts from 6th of March, and this time I'm really going to introduce beautiful meditations and chakra healing. What is this chakra? And again, chakras are nothing but the inner child. Every year, in every one chakra, like root chakra, the first year 0 to 12 months, and deeply clean it, and then the second chakra, the second year, third chakra, so like that till seventh chakra. At what age we have blocked everything, we can clean it through chakras. So that is amazing, my dear friends, amazing. Can change can happen only through inner work, connecting to your subconscious mind. Okay, if you really like to come to my classes, please come, and you will have real fun time, believe me. Okay, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.